Hello there, my friends. This is Susan at Pumpkin Hill Stampers. I wanted to give you a sneak peek on my Fun Fold template class for next month. I'm going to be crafting with my class these two fun folds. The first one is a accordion fold with 3 different panels, and the second one is this fun double tent project. So it kind of has this fun mountain aspect to it, and then it's a really great display card. If you're interested in participating in my class, you can do it digitally, so you'll just get a PDF tutorial and a video link, or you can subscribe to my class that you get in the mail, in which case you would receive a pre-made template. Let me show you real quick. You'll receive a pre-made template of each fold. Okay, they are made out of retired papers, so they may not look like these, but they are made of retired papers, and then you can work it and open it and close it and see how it's all constructed, break it down. And then the second thing you get is you get printed tutorials with sample kits for both projects if you subscribe for the whole month, or for whichever project you buy a la carte. So I try to keep this as inexpensive as possible for all of us. We just want to learn and have fun. So if you want to subscribe for the month, it is $18. If you want to subscribe and save, you can do 6 months at $16 a month, prepaid, and that includes the postage to you, and all the work is done by me, and you just have to enjoy a couple of fun folds each month. So if you are interested in signing up and getting started, or if you just want to do one of the projects a la carte, you can check out my website at pumpkinhillstampers.com. You can contact me with my email and the links below to the different pages and sign-up sheets. Alright everybody, I hope you're having a good day, and I hope to stamp with you real soon. Happy stamping!